Like I remember like even being like 4 years old, locking myself in my grandma's bathroom with her makeup bag, doing a full face and then washing it off and coming out the bathroom just with like raccoon eyes, and my family was like, what the hell were you doing in there? Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and I'm back in the makeup room with my girl Bree.
Hey
Bree, today I'm going to show you how to line your lips like Rihanna. Let's go. So I'm using our new lip liners. It's very exciting. This is traced out, and this is the color Peanut Butter. And I'm starting on your Cupid's bow. I feel like Rihanna has this very distinct, beautiful Cupid's bow, and she actually prefers her Cupid's bow to be more rounded at the top. So kind of like this like rounded effect. And she does like a more pouty lip, so I feel like that's why I always start at the very top of the Cupid's bow, just to make sure I get that perfect and I get that right. And then when we do the sides of the actual lip line, I kind of go down and follow the actual line of the lip. But if I am overdrawing, it's only at the very top of the Cupid's bow, just to kind of like give like this really beautiful fullness and like round it out. So this comes in so many great neutral shades, so everyone can find like their perfect lip liner shade, and that's the thing that I love about them most. So this is water resistant, it's budge proof, so you can relax once you put this on. You have a little bit of playtime to blend if you need to, but once it sets, it's really on there. And the pigment is like high pigment. This actually has no white base like other lip liners usually do. This is pure pigment in a pencil. I think of it more of like a pen because you get that pigment payoff so quick. And it has just the most buttery glide, so you don't have to worry about feathering or skipping on the lips. So I just follow the natural lip line just to kind of give a really beautiful shape at the bottom. I do like to go in with a little bit of the foundation on a thin brush. And what I do is like a reverse lip liner where I kind of clean up the ends and I just tighten them up. It kind of gives like a very like turned up kind of effect. Bree loves that lip shape. She loves like when the lips are turned up, and that's why I think we focus so much on the Cupid's bow. And again, it just kind of gives like this beautiful kind of like turned up lip. Okay, before I put on the center part of your lip, now that we've completely traced out your lips, let's go for a question.
Okay, I'm gonna grab this one.
All right.
What's your favorite beauty memory from when you were younger that you would want to bring back?
Oh my goodness, that's a good one.
Ooh. Honestly, watching my mom put on blush, because I think that's where I got my love of blush. Blush, happy, and so am I. So
oh my God, I love that.
Loved watching her do it.
Back in the day before YouTube, before the internet, we learned through our mom, our grandmas, our aunts, like our family members. That's how we learned how to do makeup. It's true.
You're right.
All right, now we're gonna put on some Gloss Bomb Stick. This is very exciting. This is one of my favorites, one of Rihanna's favorites. We have been using it non-stop. I can't wait for you to try it. This is in the color Fussy, which I know is gonna look so perfect on you. It's so unique because it twists like a lipstick, but it shines like a gloss. So let's put it on. Just like you would do lipstick. Woo, girl. Okay, this is your color. Okay, so now if you want to take the shine to the next level, then we top it off with Gloss Bomb, which is something that Rihanna does all the time. I feel like we're always doing a combination of Gloss Bomb Stick with Gloss Bomb on top. It just gives like this extra bit of juiciness, extra shine, that just has like these levels of dimension. Oh my God, this is already looking so good.
Oh yeah, my lips have never been juicier. Yeah,
I agree.
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Okay, so that's how you line your lips like Rihanna. Thanks so much for joining us in the makeup room. Make sure you like and subscribe.